Hey, so I'll be showing you how to make like this motion tile reveal. So the first thing you want to do is just add your clip right here and make sure you put a marker somewhere in the middle. Then just turn on your motion blur and also motion blur on your clip. Go to effects and presets and type in motion tile. Add it to your clip, of course, and make this somewhere to like, I don't know, 500, something like that. Turn on mirror edges. And we're now going to add like a camera layer. Just press Ctrl Shift Alt C, press OK. Just split it from the end like this. Now press Ctrl Shift Alt Y to make a null layer. And make sure you copy those null layers a bunch of times. I think this should be enough. Make sure you link your camera, not your clip, just your camera to the null layer. And you continue to do this with all the null layers, just like how I am doing. After you've done that, make sure you turn on 3D on all of your clips. And now we're just going to make the first transition. So go to your first null layer and press P. Make sure you hit the stopwatch. Copy that keyframe somewhere, I would say 2 frames after your marker. Like this. And just try to follow what I'm doing, honestly. There's no like exact measurements or something like that, so you just have to kind of see for yourself. I think this should be fine. Now I will just make this minus 3K. Now make sure you select both of your keyframes and easy ace them by pressing F9. Go to your graph editor and go select your value graph. Make sure this is, make sure you right click this, press separate dimensions. You don't need these. Select Z position and just try to follow what I'm doing. This should be fine. Now go to your second null layer. Go like 2 frames, 2 frames like this. Press P. Use your position again. Copy it like this. This should be fine. Go to your last keyframe and make sure you kind of zoom this out. I would say I think this is fine. Select both of your keyframes again, press F9, go to your editor graph, but now go to your speed graph and make this kind of like this. After you've done that, you go to your third null layer. Make sure you press P again. Click position somewhere in the middle between of these. Go to your last frame and I'm going to make this like 4K. Somewhere like this. Select both of your keyframes again. And now just follow what I'm doing. After you've done that, you should have something like this. Which is perfect. So after you've done that, what you want to do is go to your clip and press your clip. Make sure you check this stopwatch somewhere like this. Then go one frame behind it and make sure you copy the marker and go back to your first marker and select the mirror edges. You might also want to like zoom your clip in, make this like 115 instead of like 100. And after you've done that, you should have something like this. This is fine. Go to your face. Also, press U on your clip, and make sure you're on your first marker, and then press face. Then go to the end of your clip, to like the last frame, and make sure you like make this somewhat, I would say 280 should be fine, but it depends really on your clip and the length of your clip. Press U again till you get these. And you should have something like this. So you should have something like this. After you've done this, what you want to do is just add your shake, but add your shake to one of the null layers. I'm going to do this right now. And because of the camera, your shake will be pretty much reversed, so you just want to adjust your values. So instead of making this like minus 120, I'll just make this 120 and 160. And you keep doing this for all your keyframes until you're done. So I'll just quickly do this right now. So after you've adjusted all of your keyframes, you should have something like this. And as you can see, you might get something like this, which of course doesn't look nice, and that's why I always make like a lot of null layers. Now you can go to like this null layer, press P for position, and I will just move it down a bit. And if it still looks weird, you can always just scale it up a bit. I'll make this like 120. And now you should have something like this, which looks way better, looks way smoother. And that's pretty much it. I'll just add some RSMB. So just pre-compose it, add your RSMB. And this is what you should get. So yes, that's pretty much it. So I just want to say that I will be planning on streaming more on Twitch. So if you would follow me on Twitch, that would be really great, because I'm planning to stream there a bit more. I will probably make an edit like next week, so look forward to that. I hope this tutorial helped, and just leave a comment which tutorial you want to see next, okay? Yeah.